Sources report that the iPhone SE may second get the commercial name of the iPhone Mini in terms of design of the front panel. The smartphone will allegedly be similar to the iPhone XS model. In particular, it is said that there is a cutout in the screen for sensors of the user identification system on the Face ID Face 3D NEWS reports. According to the performance of the rear part and overall dimensions, the novelty will be comparable to the original iPhone SE device. It is told about 3 color options. It is golden, silver, and gray versions. The screen size is rumored to be 5 inches, the resolution, 2080-960 pixels. A 7-megapixel camera with a maximum aperture of f/2.2 is located in front, a 12-megapixel camera with a maximum aperture of f/1.8 is at the back. Mentioned processor A12 Bionic and battery capacity of 1860 mAh with support for wireless recharging. The operating system is iOS 13. The smartphone can receive protection against moisture and dust according to the IP67 standard. iPhone Mini, if you believe the data available, will be released in versions with 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB of flash memory. Price: $850, $950 and $1,100 respectively.